Free online study www.sinauenglish.net. In this lesson, I'd like to explain about describing places. This lesson is designed for beginners to improve their vocabularies. It is urgent to learn how to describe places, as we know that sometimes we should be able to describe places, our country for instance. If my friend asks me, how is Indonesia like? Then I will answer, Indonesia is a peaceful country. Why I should say so? Because I'd like to promote that Indonesia is very peaceful. Don't be afraid of terror. Places here can be a building, a city, an area, an apartment, a condo, and other places. Why we like or dislike it, how its appearance is, and things that happen there. Those points we should explain in describing places. We need to explain why the place is good or why the place is bad. For example, Indonesia is a tropical country. It has two seasons only, dry and rainy. Many people like Indonesia as it has many beautiful tourism resorts such as Bali, Lombok, Papua, etc. It also has many traditional food such as rendang, satay, and nasi goreng. I miss rendang. In this slide, I'd like to guide you how to pronounce these adjectives. These adjectives are very useful to describe places. Are you ready, guys? Repeat after me. Abandoned, ancient, artistic, amazing, beautiful, boring, bustling, bright, breathtaking, calm, charming, compact, cosmopolitan, colorful, creepy, crowded, deserted, forbidden. Now, I would like to give you some example how to use this adjective in sentences. For example, Markham is a fairly compact city. You just need less than an hour to get around. So I use compact here to show that Markham is small. Next, that doll is so creepy, therefore your kid doesn't like it. Creepy here means horrible, something scary. Next, it's pretty boring to live in the middle of nowhere. The last example, the abandoned house is for sale. Though the price is very low, but nobody buys that house. Any question, guys? If you do, please send email to bathoanis@gmail.com. Now let's continue to the next slide. Here, there are some adjectives used to describe places. I will help you again how to pronounce these adjectives. Isolated, magical, mysterious, natural, noisy, perfect, peaceful, pleasant, popular, polluted, quiet, remarkable, romantic, sketchy. I remember very well about sketchy. My husband always say, I don't like Scarborough. It's sketchy area. Sketchy area meaning it's not good. It's not safe. Okay guys, let's continue. The next adjectives are shiny, silent, stinky, stormy, strange, terrific, thirsty, tropical, ugly, unique, unusual, warm, wild, windy. Okay, let's pick up one example here. Stinky. I don't like that washroom. It's so stinky. Stinky meaning smell so bad. My daughter liked to use this word to mock somebody. But please don't use it to mock somebody, okay? The next example. What is busy like? So guys, you can use this question to ask someone to describe places. What is blah 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 like? So you can ask, what is Bali like? What is Jakarta like? What is Papua like? What is Aceh like? Then you may answer by using adjective. For example, it is an amazing place to live in. Papua is a breathtaking island. Is that clear? If you are still confused, you may repeat my previous slide. Next, I took a text from www.wordofwaterfalls.com. So here, one paragraph describe about Niagara Falls. The writer used famous. Famous here is adjective to describe Niagara Falls. So, you may try to write down a paragraph to describe your favorite place. Time to practice. Describe these places. Number 1, Bali, Indonesia. So what do you think about Bali? How is Bali like? Next is about Dubai. Toronto, Canada. Casablanca, Morocco. The last exercise is describing your favorite place. You should write down 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is opening. So write down the name of the place and where the location is. The second paragraph, please write down in detail the good things about the place. And the last paragraph or closing, you should ensure the reader again why the reader should visit your favorite place. I'm pretty sure that you can do this exercise very well. If you still got the problem, please repeat the previous slide. So at home, try to memorize the vocabularies that I already pronounced in the previous slide, from isolated until windy. And you may practice to describe some places that you like or dislike. If you still have problem, don't hesitate to contact me at batoanis@gmail.com. Thank you for watching my video and keep watching my next video. Bye bye.